During this video, we're going to take a look at parallel lines. Now, from our notes, we can obviously remember that parallel lines have the same slope. That's just something we have to remember, okay? Because when we are given two equations, for example, these two equations, we have to easily recognize that these two lines are parallel lines just based on the fact that they both have the same slope of 1/2. So that's easy. Both of these are written y equals mx plus b, so it's easy to identify their slope. However, there are going to be times where you have to actually find what that line is. For example, say we're given a graph that's f of x, and we have to find the equation of a line parallel to f of x with a y-intercept of -2. So, like I said just now, we have to recognize the fact that parallel lines have the same slope. So in order to figure out what my slope of my parallel line is, I have to know what the slope of the original line is. If you haven't done the slope video, you may want to go back and watch it now. But to figure out what my slope is, I'm going to start at a point, pick any point, and I'm going to see what my distance is or what it takes me to get to the next point. So here I have to go up 2, so plus 2, and then over 2, to the right 2. Same thing here, plus 2, to the right 2. Keep going, plus 2, to the right 2, plus 2, to the right 2. So I can easily tell, even though it looks kind of funny, my slope, which is my change in y over my change in x, is equal to 2 over 2. 2 over 2 is the same thing as 1. So now that I know that my slope is 1, I can figure out what that equation to the line parallel is. Remember, all you need for slope-intercept form is your slope and your intercept. Luckily, in this problem, they told us what our intercept was. So now, in the values. So plus, and we figured out that b, actually they told us that b, is -2. Now to write that the correct way, we're just going to write y equals, mind you, we don't have to write the 1, x. Now here, when your signs are like this, we don't like to put plus and -2 because we know that negative is the same thing as subtracting. So we're just going to write x minus 2. That's my final answer for a line that is parallel to this line with a y-intercept of -2. And I can check my answer by graphing. My y-intercept is -2, so start at -2. And my slope, I'm going to go up 1, over 1, up 1, over 1. And you can keep plotting these points, and once you connect these dots, you'll see that the red line, as rough as I may have drawn it, is parallel to the blue line.